Celebrating 15 years of establishment of the AHLUL KAMAL. So we appreciate him, we congratulate him, we thank him for this the opportunity that he was able to use to enhance what Islam teaches us, to enhance. So I delivered my speech that whatever everybody wants to do in this life, you must try as much as possible to make sure that your intention is clear. Whatever you want to do it in the cause of Almighty Allah. So because whatever we do in the cause of Almighty Allah, the thing will sustain. That is what we call the sustainability of that activities when the action was made with good intention. So that is my short speech that I delivered as a keynote address in this occasion. My name is once again Honorable Justice Abdul Lateef Kamaldeen, the current Grand Kadi of Kwara State. You are most welcome. You are most welcome.